Here we have a very unique and one-of-a-kind van. It's a 2013 Chevy Express Handicap wheelchair conversion van, cargo van. This van is in excellent condition, 86,000 miles. It has a Braun ability Century lift, a 750-pound capacity, and also a Bruno scooter lift in the rear of the van. This van has 2 lifts. Beautiful, beautiful condition, rust-free, clean, clean, clean all the way around. Very rare setup, probably the only one in existence. Gorgeous condition all the way around. 2013, 86,000 original miles. The wheelchair lift is like brand new. The rear springs have been beefed up to handle the extra load in the back. It is a 1500. Does have a tow package. The van is like new. Everything was professionally installed and certified. Bruno lift in the rear, Braun ability, Century side entry lift on the side, 750 pounds, almost brand new. It's hardly ever been used. Gorgeous, inside and out. The lift is actually from 2016, as you can see here. Gorgeous inside. It has in-floor tie downs, ratchet straps, Bruno 400-pound scooter lift in the back. You can do anything with this van. It's ready to go today. We've been in business 45 years. We specialize in conversion vans, handicap vans, wheelchair vans. Give us a call at any time. 954-561-2499. We're happy to help at any time. Give us a call, send us a text, 954-561-2499. I'm going to show you how everything works on this van. There's hardly any flaws on it. It's almost like new. The tires are about 80% good. Gorgeous condition. Needs absolutely nothing at all. It's been fully serviced, ready to go today. It's a backup camera. They upgraded the stereo. They added on power windows to this vehicle. They work great. So it's backup camera, full power pack. Gorgeous. You're not going to find another one like it anywhere. Beautiful condition. Rust free all the way. Clean title. Look at this thing. It's beautiful. 5.3 liter V8. General grabber tires, 80% good, maybe better, maybe better. Does have beefed up springs in the rear. This thing can handle anything, go anywhere, do anything. You can put 2 chairs in here. You can put a scooter and a chair. The thing is beautiful. Fully maintained. Runs and drives excellent. We can ship anywhere in the world. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Happy to help at any time. Look at this thing, it's beautiful. So here you go. All of the handicap equipment was installed by a certified mobility dealer. Everything was done properly and done correctly. This is a Bruno 400-pound scooter lift. Everything is operating the way it's supposed to. You can see the scooter lift is working up and down, and it has a little power switch here. It is a 400-pound capacity. Beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. Gorgeous. A couple little marks on the bumpers. Other than that, those are the only flaws on the whole van that I can find anywhere. It's a Braun ability. It does work with the handheld pendant. The lift is like brand new. Hardly any use at all. I believe the counter shows it's been used like 200 times, which is almost zero. There you go, right in. Awesome setup. Beautiful. not a mark on this thing. Gorgeous. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Happy to help with any questions or concerns. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We've been in business 45 years. We accept any type of trade-ins that you might have. We can arrange financing on this van. Give us a call. Happy to help you. We really try to help all of our customers with handicap vans. This is a very unique setup. You won't find another one anywhere. It's in immaculate condition. I mean, super duper clean. Super duper clean. 86,000 original miles. Look at that. No warning lights. Runs perfect. Got your backup camera. It's a 5.3 liter V8. You got power windows. Got your backup camera. Big display radio. It's very nice. This thing's ready to go. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 or visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Here we are driving. Ice cold air. Thing runs and drives like a dream. No shakes, no shimmies. This thing is ready to go. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Happy to help at any time. Thank you.